Hey friends, who's hungry? Bacon makes everything better, right? These sweet and salty bacon and butterscotch chip cookies are so addictive you won't be able to eat just one. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then in a large mixing bowl, cream together 3/4 of a cup of white sugar, 3/4 a cup of packed brown sugar, and 1 cup of softened unsalted butter. Next, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 large egg. Mix until the wet ingredients are just combined. Stir in 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. With the mixer on low, add in 1 cup of cooked and chopped bacon and 1 11-ounce bag of butterscotch chips. Mix just until the ingredients are mixed uniformly throughout the dough. Drop the dough by rounded tablespoonfuls, about 2 inches apart, onto a prepared cookie sheet. Gently press down the center of each cookie. Bake for approximately 8 to 10 minutes or until the edges look done and the centers are soft. Allow the cookies to cool on the cookie sheet for about 2 minutes before removing them to a wire rack to continue cooling. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.